Guys, we are so bored. Here, Brianna's playing some random game.
I was playing plumber crack. You throw ice cubes down a plumber's butt.
Yeah.
Can I be in the video a little bit?
My brother wants to be in the video.
Hi.
Like,
Oh my gosh, I love Hit the Apple.
okay, you need to listen.
Oh, that's a different kind
The
of
topic
Hit the
for
Apple.
today is ringtones that come with your phone.
That are like stupid.
There's one.
I love that one. This is the
I
Hit
like
the
this one.
Apple I was thinking of. Except it's just medieval.
So. Sounds like Santa.
Oh, what's this? I miss.
This isn't my phone. God, this one. Let's get it on, Brianna.
Alright. Giddy up. Oh! Oh, that's gross.
What's so wrong?
I got it right between the legs, dude. Look at that.
Let me see. Oh my gosh.
I like this one.
Oh my god, I got first.
Beep once.
Ha! New record. Took me 3 shots.
Okay, let's look up ringtones
4 shots.
on mine.
3 shots.
Okay, we get it, Brianna.
One for the first try. The second one it usually takes me 2 to 3. Or 1.
Stupid ass message from another stupid ass person that you probably don't give a rat's ass about. You better get back with him quick.
I don't like this one. I hate this.
Turn the volume down.
Yes. Do me a favor. Yes, ma'am. Put the shack to the up, okay? The shack to the up.
I don't like this.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
I love that. Dude, you have to send that to me.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Bill.
Which one is that?
You're trying for a new car,
Cut the rope.
a new convertible, or
Throw
an
with the star
SUV.
candy.
Too bad I didn't
Even
know
though
my
my
credit
credit
was
was
whack
whack
and
and
now
now
driving off the lot in a used subcompact FREE. That spells free. Creditreport.com, baby.
So, okay. Charlie, you only bit me. Oh, I like this one. What is
Just a moment ago, what fits around your finger, what comes in bottles or in cans?
Beer.
Can't get enough of it. How we really love it. Beer. You think I'm a man. It's smoking beer. Brother chugging beer. The belly out to air.
Hey!
Chicka wow wow.
Wow, 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 chicka, wow, wow.
Shoot. Shouldn't have done that. Okay.
You are my cum. You said cum.
You're my sweet.
I dig under your porch because I love you.
Hey, look, I got 3 stars on that one.
I was just bullshitting. And you know.
So good.
This is
Abandon all ships. Good.